How to run a web design business. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can run a web design business. I will tell you all about different, tools and platforms that you need in order to run a professional web design business. You don't need any heavy equipment or need to join any agency. You can do it on your own, and that's why I am here. So let's get started. What is web designing? Web designing simply means designing websites for different clients and for different customers as well. You simply create a website and then you deliver it to your client. Most of the time, very big names and big brands want their website to be designed by professionals. You can be that. If you know web designing, then you might be wondering to create your own web design business, and you might be looking for different tools and a platform where you can do that. So what you have to do is simply select a platform first. When it comes to web designing, you can actually do web designing as a beginner as well. That's what I will be focusing on today as a beginner, how you can get started with web designing. So what you have to do is you need a platform. I suggest WordPress.com. WordPress is an amazing website hosting platform that allows you to create very professional websites of your own. When it comes to web designing, your clients will want all type of different websites, and with our WordPress we can actually go ahead and create such websites. You can create website in any niche, and these websites are very professional. With the plugins that we get on WordPress, we can simply go ahead and create anything. We can add donation forms, we can add payment forms, and we can add anything we want to. We can integrate many other things to our WordPress website. So creating a WordPress website is really easy. You simply, install your WordPress, you will create a website, and you can create multiple websites with WordPress. And then you simply deliver that website to your client. Now, you might be wondering how to get a client. Before I show you more about WordPress and I show you how you actually create a website, let me show you how you will actually get the clients, because an important factor of running a web design business is that you need clients. So how you will get them? Simply, you will sign up for any of the freelancing website. That is the easiest way to get your clients that will actually order their websites, and they will ask you to make the website. So you simply create a account on any of the freelancing platforms. Right now I am on upwork.com. So on Upwork, I have actually searched for web designers, and I want to show you how much people are actually making with web designing. So these all are actually web designers. They do web designing, and I will actually show you what kind of different things you do when it comes to web designing. So you can see right here, this person, he is charging up to $70 per hour. Then this one, $125 per hour. Then we have again $75 per hour, $100 per hour, $120 per hour, $65, $400 per hour. So these are the different web designers available on Upwork. So this is what you can do. You can simply create your own profile, and then you can provide your services. What happens is with web designing, you actually have to be good in different platform. So we talked about WordPress. I told you about WordPress because WordPress is most of the time the clients will ask you about WordPress, but there are other platforms as well, such as squarespace.com, wix.com, Shopify, and others, to create your online store. So you can see right here, these different web designers, they have actually listed the different platforms they are good in. This one has actually listed Wix, and they have listed a Squarespace and Shopify. So they're also saying that they are good in the SEO. So this is what you will also do. You can see right here, this person has added WordPress as well, and their rate is $65. So this is really good. And what you can do is you will simply create a website like this, and then you will simply get the clients. You can see right here, they have earned more than they have earned in thousands and their job rate is amazing. They have a lot of reviews too. So there are always different clients looking for web designers to create their own professional websites, and that's what you can do. Once you have created the website, then you have to deliver it to your client, and now it depends on you and the client how you want to do it, what's the rate, whatever you want to set. So once you have done it, then you will simply deliver the website, and that's how you simply run a web designing business. So when it comes to creating websites, there are few things that I would like to mention, few things that you have to keep in check. The first thing is, creating a website which is according to all of the different requirements that the client has actually, proposed. And then the second thing is going to be getting a domain name. If the client does not have a domain name, you will require to, get a domain name as well. Of course, they will pay you for it. Then the third thing is going to be creating a very professional website that is actually aesthetically, looking good, and that is also a very, very effective and very efficient website with all of the different tools and features. So once you have created such website, then you will be good to go. So on WordPress, we get a lot of different, themes. So if I talk about other platforms as well, then we have Wix.com. So when it comes to web designing business, most of the clients will ask you to create their website on Wix.com. So you will need to, ace this platform as well. Very easy, and it actually creates very professional websites. So you can check out Wix.com and, get your hands on this one and, learn about it so that you can actually create a very good web designing business. So when it comes to your own Wix.com, you can actually create more than one website, right? And when you will buy a plan, so once you buy one of their plans, then you will be able to create a lot of websites, and then you can simply deliver it to your clients. The more websites you will deliver, and the more professional websites you can create, the more clients you will get, and of course the more money you will make. Then we have Squarespace.com. Squarespace is another amazing website builder with a lot of different features and tools to help you create your own websites. A very easy platform to use, and you can simply get started with it. Signing up process is really easy, and it has a lot of different templates for you to create your websites. One of the most important thing is when it comes to web designing, there are different types of websites. So you will be able to create any type of website. You will be able to create the online store, portfolio, blog, and others as well. So these are the different kind of websites that people will ask you to make, and you will have to make them for you. So once you can use the templates as well, you can use and customize anything on any of the platforms, and then you will be able to create the professional websites. Web designing is one of the business that will actually help you make a lot of money. You can charge up to $50 to $100 per hour as a beginner, and then you can simply go to $200 per hour as well. So yeah guys, this is how you can simply get started with your own web designing business, and you can simply then become a professional and create as many websites as you want to and run a successful business to make money online. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to run a web designing business. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.